Hey everyone, welcome to my channel if you're new here, and welcome back if you're not. My name is Rezina, and on this channel I create makeup looks. So for today's look, I was inspired to do a look, but I'll be adding my own fun twist into the look. So if you guys want to see me create the look, keep on watching. So I went ahead and did my base and my brows off camera just because I did the exact same thing on my last video and nothing has changed. I used a Cetaphil moisturizer to moisturize my face, and I followed that up with the Fenty foundation. I mixed these two to get my shade. This is the shade 330 and this one is the shade 390. For concealer, I used this concealer. It's from MAC. And for my brows, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow and Dark Brown. This is what it looks like. If you guys still want to see me do my base and my brows, you definitely could go ahead and check out my previous video. For my eyes, I'll be using this palette to create the look today. So first, I'm going to dip into the shade Blazin', which is this orange color right here. And I'm going to use this fluffy brush to apply that. So next, I'm going to clean it up using Fenty foundation in the shade 330. Next, I'll be using the shade Eden to fill in this part of my eye. So to darken the edge of the orange shade that I used earlier, the shade Blazin', I'm going to use another shade and darken it a bit. I'm going to use the shade Oud. It's a very dark brown. This one right here. So for the lower lash line, I think I'll be going into the shade Saffron, which is this shade right here. This one right here. Okay, so since there's a thing going on my nose, I don't want to contour, but I want to bronze the perimeter of my face. I don't have a bronzer, but I'm going to use this Bobbi Brown Sheer Finish Loose Powder in golden brown, and it's the number 9. I'm going to use a highlighter stick from Victoria's Secret and just say glow. This is what it looks like. Guys, if there's something funny with the lighting, if I'm overexposed or something, I'm using natural lighting, so please bear with me, okay? Next, I'm going to eyeline my eyes using the Maybelline gel eyeliner. It's this one. So I really wanted to incorporate crystals on my look, so I went ahead and did that. I added 2 crystals on each side and 1 crystal on the inner corner of my eyes. I also did my lashes off camera because if I tried to do them on camera, we would have been here all day. I don't have any eyelash curler, so we're going to be using mascara to lift up my falsies. For mascara, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty mascara. So let's add in some mascara. So for lips, since we have a lot going on around the eyes, it's only appropriate to use nude lipstick. So I'm going to use a matte lipstick from MAC. It's more on the pinkish side of the nude. It's the shade 123 and the name is Topped with Brandy. So last but not least, I'm going to set my makeup in place using the MAC Fix Plus in the flavor Coconut. So I want to dedicate this look to the real life warriors out there facing the world head on each day, even though sometimes it could be so hard, especially with all the chaos going around the world right now. If you guys enjoyed my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye you guys, see you on my next upload. Last minute change, you guys, I added in 2 crystals on my lips. Just want to let you know.